Before we start this team profile generator walkthrough, I want to point out that there is no index.html file in this dist folder. The index.html file will be generated from this application and stored here. To begin the application, we'll start in a fresh terminal. Since we're using Node, I'll run the index.js file by typing node index.js. Then we will be prompted to enter manager information. For this example team, the manager will be Bob. Bob will have an employee ID of 001. The manager's email address is bob@teamprofile.com. His office number will be 100. Then we're asked if we want to add an employee. We can choose from engineer or intern or do not add employee. Let's choose add an engineer. Now we're prompted to add an engineer to the project. The engineer's name will be Mary. The employee ID will be 002. Email address will be mary@teamprofile.com. And for engineers, we're asked to enter the engineer's GitHub profile. So we'll use Mary GitHub as an example. Now we're prompted to enter another employee. Let's add another engineer. This engineer's name will be Sue. The engineer's employee ID will be 003. The email address will be sue@teamprofile.com. The GitHub profile name will be Sue GitHub. We're prompted to add an engineer or intern again. This time we'll choose intern. The intern's name will be John. The employee ID will be 004. The email address will be john@teamprofile.com. For interns, we're not asked for a GitHub profile, but we're asked for an intern's school. So we'll say John's University. Let's finish the application by selecting that we do not want to add another employee. By default, the information is printed to the terminal, but what we're most worried about is the index.html file that was generated here. Let's open this in a browser. Now in our browser, our team profile was generated here. We can see that Bob is the manager, Mary and Sue are the engineers, and John is the intern. The email addresses open to the default email application, and the engineer's GitHub addresses would work if the profiles actually existed. And there you have it, a brief walkthrough of this team profile generator application. Thanks for watching.